Alright, Peter, what'd you get?
Oh, now I just
Don't break them!
I got an Easter bunny. A hollow one, but they can fill with Tannerite and blow it up.
And there's another one in there?
I got a smaller one, yeah.
And a smaller one.
Once upon a time, boom!
Hey, how's it going? Alyssa's here from Fishing Webbers. Today is Saturday. We're fishing at Hag Lake. It's a beautiful day, about 65 degrees, very warm. Beautiful, beautiful. We found another spot to try. I mean, this lake is huge. There's so many places where you can fish at. We just casted out our rods, tried worms, lure, and green power bait. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'll check in with you in a little bit.
Hey, you're trying to cross my line.
Am I?
I don't know.
No, your line.
Oh my gosh.
It's that way. We did see a fish jump over there somewhere. Well, Peter said he saw a fish jump, unless he's full of
I saw one.
crap. You did?
I know my fish.
What kind was it?
It was a silver one.
Silver one. Good. They're actually supposed to be stocking this lake next week, April 1st.
Really?
Yeah, unless they're joking around for the April Fool's Day.
With you?
They're just messing with us,
Right,
yeah.
Probably.
I'm gonna order something.
You're shopping while you fish? What is wrong with you? What are you buying fish?
No.
Out in the nature.
Right.
Instead of enjoying this pretty view, Jake is shopping.
Oh, I'm enjoying it already.
Enjoying the view on his phone or the magazines for his guts.
Yeah. No bites yet. But it's just so nice to be out here and enjoy the weather. Jake is shopping. Yeah, I guess, you know, whatever people do out in the nature. Technology, right? So last weekend we decided to go to Mount Hood. We wanted to fish at Harriet Lake and Timothy Lake, but the drive out there, like it's a nice drive, but once you get to that main road that takes you out to Timothy, it's just all snowed in. So we drove all the way there. We got onto the main road and the road was all covered in snow. Sucks. So we ended up going home. Yeah, so that's why we're back here in Hag Lake, but no bites yet. There are quite a few people fishing around the shoreline. There's a couple of dudes back there. There's another person joining us right now. No fish yet. No bites, nothing.
Oh shit, I just got one.
I wish. So we're gonna go to Tillamook Forest, blow some stuff up.
Do you want to know about Peter Rabbit? Here's a little story about him. Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits. And the names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. They lived with their mother in a sandbank underneath the root of a very big fir tree. Now, my dears, said old Mrs. Rabbit one morning, you may go into the fields or down the lane, but don't go into Mr. We're not gonna read this, let's just blow this thing up. This is Peter Rabbit and he's about to go. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way.
Oh.
Oh my God. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way.
I couldn't tell. Alright, go for it, dude.
Ah, the best thing ever.
Woo! That was awesome. That was so fast.
Put it on safety.
Yeah.
Jeez. My camera's still alive. It exploded into pieces.
Oh my God.
Was that really loud? I can't tell.
That was hella loud. That was so loud. It was a
Boom! Look at those pieces.
Oh my God.
oh my gosh, so awesome. That's gonna
Look at
so
it.
great in slow motion. Dude, come on, that was awesome.
Imagine people walking around
That's
finding
horrible.
pieces of chocolates all over the place.
There's no chocolate left.
Where is it?
No.
Do you think it's gonna be like in tiny pieces?
Huh?
You think the chocolate's all in tiny pieces?
Probably like just disintegrated. It's probably melted, just gone.
I think there's a piece of
Look how much of this it took out.
Now I'm giving you a challenge. Put the box back together.
I'm pretty sure there's a piece of
I don't even know what water.
So this thing is filled with ice inside and a Tannerite on the bottom. So we'll have to see what happens when we shoot it. And I get the one to shoot. I don't know why. Yeah. Alright, let's go. I'm scared.
air at the bottom.
Why is it not going? Oh. Alright. Oh my God.
Put it on safety. Let's go check it out. Alright, put it on safety. Let's go check it out.
It turned it inside
Oh
out.
my God.
Oh,
It was already here. Somebody was already using it for Target. We did not
Yeah,
steal
see
it
the
or
holes in it?
anything. So it's been already used. Just don't think, you guys, that we just took it from some workers. We did not.
no, somebody brought it up here.
Somebody was already, it was already here. So, yeah.
Oh, wow.
That was something.
Wow. It turned that thing inside out.
That was so fun, you guys. I mean, exploding all these things like the chocolate bunny, the ice thing, the traffic cones filled with ice. So it was so fun. I mean, we didn't catch a fish today, but then just coming here to the forest kind of makes our day, just kind of gets the anger out of you for not catching anything. Alright, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy our content. If you do, subscribe, leave us comments, you know, hit that bell or whatever that does for you. It reminds you when we come up with the new videos. So yeah, we'll see you in our next video. Bye.